Welcome. This video will go through some instructions to help you get started using Hefring Marine. The platform consists of HM Captain, the guidance system on board, and the HM Admin, the fleet management tool. Let's start with HM Captain. After turning the tablet on, you will see the captain's screen. This list of user captains is created in HM Admin. This is covered later in the video. Select yourself as a user captain. Then type in your unique PIN, which you received in an email. The first time you use the PIN, HM Captain will ask you to reset it to one that you prefer. Next, select Login. Type in the number of persons on board. Then the total fuel available. The maximum capacity is based on the vessel specifications in HM Admin. Now select Start Trip. The trip has now started. The left gauge shows wave impacts in real time, with the counter showing the number of impacts above the red line threshold. The gauge on the right displays speed. The ROG is the guidance speed, shown as a red line on the gauge. The ROG speed is dynamic. It drops to a calculated safer speed limit if impacts are detected, and increases again if conditions allow. The weather forecast for your location is on the left side of the screen, updated every 10 minutes. The status of the Bluetooth connection between the tablet and sensor is shown in the top right corner. If disconnected, try pressing the refresh button. If it does not reconnect, the sensor may be low on battery. Check the sensor and charge it if necessary. You can also check the status of the Bluetooth connection in the tablet settings. Instructions for this are shown later in the video. Once the trip has ended, press Complete Trip. If a trip is not started manually, and if a home port location has been set in HM Admin, the trip will start automatically when leaving port, and end on return. Type in the number of persons on board at the end of the trip, as well as the fuel status. The last part is a short survey for insights into the trip, which will appear with the final trip report. You can choose to skip this part. Press End Trip to complete. You will then be returned to the captain's screen. If you are having problems with a Bluetooth connection or cellular network, you may need to exit the app and navigate to the tablet's settings. Press the power button in the top right corner and type in the exit PIN. The exit PIN can be configured in HM Admin. In the tablet settings, select Bluetooth. Here you can check if the sensor is paired and connected. The sensor's name will be device, _ and a number. If it does not appear in the device list, the sensor may be out of battery or out of range. If the sensor appears in the list but is not paired or connected, select it to reconnect. If it is paired and connected, turn Bluetooth off and on again. If the problem persists, contact support. For network problems, go to the tablet settings and select More, under Wireless and Networks. Then select Cellular Networks. Your settings should be the same as they appear here. The problem might be due to poor signal from the network operator that the tablet has automatically detected. You can manually select the operator that provides the best coverage in your area under Network Operators. Note that when offshore, the 3G network may work better than 4G. If the problem persists, try rebooting the tablet. If this does not work, then contact support. To navigate back to the app, press the Home button. Then select HM Captain. Once there, press the Home button again. A pop-up window will appear. Now select Always. If you make changes to the app configurations, captain's list, or boat list, in HM Admin, refresh the app by pressing the refresh button on the captain's screen.